Hi, and welcome to this demo presenting Intercom's AI agent Finn. My name is Miriam, and I will be running you through an overview of how you can provide fast and intelligent support to your customers with Finn, Intercom's AI agent. Finn can provide AI-generated answers using a wide range of content sources, including your external content, your Intercom Help Center, snippets or plain text, PDF files, custom answers with actions that you specify, and you can also allow to learn from conversations handled by your CS reps in the inbox. You can specify which agents are suitable for that. As soon as you start adding content for Finn, you'll be able to use it in the interactive messenger preview on the right. Finn is enabled and customized through workflows, offering you the best control and flexibility. Finn can pass the conversation to an existing workflow to triage, or a workflow can pass to Finn to step in and offer support whenever you want. So let's build one together. Finn is supported across multiple channels. You can set up different workflows with different schedules to decide how Finn will work within or outside of your office hours. Finn settings per workflow also allows you to decide how Finn will interact with customers. And finally, decide how Finn will hand over to a teammate when the customer asks to talk to someone. Once you have sufficient conversations, you will see an overview of questions Finn could not resolve. While managing your content, you can define multiple different audiences that your content is targeted towards. This enables Finn to only provide answers to customers about the products or services they actually have access to. For example, I want articles about personal loans to only be shared and used with customers who have a personal loan with Exemplary Bank. You can customize Finn reply buttons, choosing how Finn should phrase the options it presents to your customers. And also, you can choose the identity that matches your own brand. Finally, you can see your Finn CSAT score in the AI chatbot report, which helps you understand how Finn is doing, its deflection rate, and much more. Now, let's take a look at a real-life example, like when a visitor is on your website for the first time. Instantly, you're able to answer all their FAQs, deflecting any repetitive questions that could take up your team's time. Finn will find the answer based on the audience rules and settings, send it to the customer, and ask if they still need help. Once they confirm that this answers their question, as per the workflow we've set up, the customer will be asked to rate the conversation and add any comments that will help you improve Finn in the future. So what you've just seen is how you can reduce support volumes, increase customer satisfaction in minutes with Intercom's AI-powered chatbot. Visit our website and sign up for a free trial to experience the impact of Finn. Thank you.